What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Okay, you guys, so I'm kind of talking a little bit lower than normal because my baby is still sleeping, so I don't want to wake him up just yet because I feel like this is the only time frame I have to record, so just bear with me, you guys. But I want to talk about two products today that I have never tried before and I'm really excited, and it's drugstore. So if you guys love drugstore, if you love finding things for a good price, then keep on watching my video. Today is going to be all about the brows, so yeah, if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so I went to Target. I love Target. If you guys love Target, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below that you love Target as much as I do. I'm sure you guys have seen my videos and stuff of me going to Target and just showing you what they have and stuff. But anyways, okay, I'm rambling. I picked up the NYX brow, what is this thing called? Lift and Snatch in the shade Espresso. So I got Espresso, and then I wanted to try this brow glue. This is a non-sticky finish, so we're gonna try this on out. And I was also thinking about picking up the Anastasia brow freeze just to compare the two. So if you guys are interested in that type of video, let me know in the comment section down below as well. But when I went to Ulta yesterday, I didn't realize how expensive that brow freeze was. Like, it was $23, so I was like, dang. And then this one, the brow glue is $7.99, and then this one right here, the Lift and Snatch, was $10.99. So, and you can also buy these on Amazon. I did see them on Amazon. I probably should have opened this before I started. Oh my gosh, don't you hate this stuff? So, dang, this thing is tiny. Okay. This is pretty tiny. And then let's open up Espresso. So I'm super excited to try this stuff out. I kept going to Target and I kept like picking it up and then just putting it back. So I finally got it so I can try it out for you guys. If you guys tried this before, let me know. Did you like it? Do you hate it? Like, what's up? So it just looks like a liner pen kind of thing. It has a felt tip. The felt tip is very skinny and thin, so that I think this should be good. Hopefully this is kind of user friendly. So yeah, like I said, the shade I got was Espresso. So let's go ahead and get started because I feel like these are pretty simple. You just put it on your brows. Instant brow styler. And also, you guys, if you're kind of like me, sometimes I don't use brow products. I use the Benefits. Oh my gosh. Okay, I thought I had it in this room, but I don't. I forgot the name of it, but it's from Benefit, and that one gives my brows, like, they stay where I brush them and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off my glasses because this is a video where I shouldn't wear glasses. And I'm gonna try to zoom you guys in. Okay, hopefully this is okay. Hopefully everything looks all right. So let's go ahead and open this. This is what the applicator looks like, and we're gonna go ahead and just brush. I'm gonna brush my brows on up. Probably should have like tweezed it and waxed my brows, so I'm sorry about that, but I just really wanted to try this out because my hairs are kind of long, so I do need to like trim them. You guys tried the Patrick Ta? I know he has a brow, I think he has like one of these applicator things if I'm not mistaken, but have you guys tried it? Do you like it? I think it's starting to get tacky. Yeah, I think the more you kind of apply and let it set, it's starting to get tacky. And tacky meaning like it's starting to get more like a sticky feeling where my brows are kind of sticking together, my brow hairs. You know what, I think I suggest, just by just using this already, I suggest doing your foundation stuff last, because if you're like me, if you're a little rough kind of trying to apply this and stuff and you're getting on your skin, you're actually going to scrape off your makeup. So definitely do your brows first when it comes to doing this. Or if you just want to touch up your makeup, I have this long brow hair sticking up. It's definitely sticky, so tacky. I'm gonna let that side dry. So I would say if I had my brows done and cut, I would be able to lift my brow hairs up really nice, and it's gonna stay because it's really like, I feel like my brows aren't gonna go anywhere. I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, I put less on this side, so I'm gonna see if there's a difference. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Lift and Snatch. So hopefully I can do this. We're gonna try to do brow hair, some brow hairs. So I'm gonna start at the base and then I'm gonna flick up. Okay, I will say I'm a little heavy-handed with this. So with it being my first time, I feel like my brow is a little wonky. So I wonder if I try using this first and then going in with the brow glue, if that would have been better. But if you do mess up, you can always tap and like kind of move up to lighten the actual marks and stuff. So I'm gonna try this other side. So let's see. Oh, see how that was like super dark? Like I don't want it that dark, like that's too much. And I'm trying to do hair-like strokes. I don't know if I need to shake it more. So what I'm trying to apply right here, I don't want to apply too much pressure. Okay, this is a strong brow and I don't like this brow at all. Definitely don't like this one. It just came out way too strong. This one's a little bit better. So one, for this side, I didn't apply as much brow glue and I try to go in with a lighter hand using this brow pen. And then this side, I guess I just went in, and so with this side I just went in with it, kind of was heavy-handed, put way too much brow glue, and she a little rough. So I can see the concept. I really want to try it the opposite way, where I use the brow pen first and then I go in with this. The only thing is I don't know if I go in with the brow glue, if it will take a lot of the product off from when I already have this on my brows. But I do like that my brows are in place with this brow glue. I'm gonna zoom you guys out. I do like that this one is leaving my brows in place for $7.99. That is great. I just need to trim my brow hair, so that's my bad and stuff. But for $7.99, can't beat that, just to, you know, try something out. Just to try, you know, to keep your brows in place, because sometimes they be getting all wonky and stuff. This brow pen, my thoughts on this one is that I need to work with it because I have a heavy hand. You need to be able to apply a light pressure, and then as you're swooping up, put a little bit more pressure, and then just kind of lift off and stuff. So yeah, this is gonna take some time for me to practice and see if I can get the hang of it and stuff, because I have seen some girls that actually use this stuff and their brows look amazing. So right now I don't even know what I look like. Let me put some glasses on. so yeah, I still feel like this side with my glasses on, being able to like actually see, definitely this is a heavy brow. And then I do like this side better. So yes. So I'm gonna keep on trying these products out to see if I can get better at it and to see if it was actually worth the money. I mean, it wasn't that much, but still it's money. So if you guys try these products out, do you like them? If you have any tips on how to use these, let a girl know in the comment section down below, because it's my first time trying it out and stuff, and I was just really intrigued by this stuff, so I thought it was pretty cool to, you know, add some brow hairs and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stop rambling. If you guys enjoyed today's video, it was something different, because I haven't done like a makeup video in a minute. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, give me a like, comment something down below, and then be sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave. I have some exciting videos coming up for you guys that I'm like really hyped for. So yeah, just subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.